Hello guys, welcome to Bhavna's kitchen. I'm going to prepare pizza in micro oven. Preparation of pizza, we need 2 cups of white flour, melted butter, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and for kneading milk. Pizza dough, I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of butter. After adding butter, mix it properly. After mixing it, add sugar powder, dry yeast powder. We will going to add warm milk. After adding milk, we will going to knead 10 to 15 minutes. Hey guys, I knead this dough around 10 minutes. Now I am going to put some oil or butter into it. I added little bit butter on it. Now I am going to cover with a wet towel around 2 hours. Now I covered wet towel. After dough is prepared, let's go for preparation of toppings. For toppings, I chopped some vegetables like capsicum, tomato, onion, mushroom, cheese, Amul cheese spread, tomato ketchup, pizza sauce, red chili flakes for seasoning, and mozzarella cheese, and some melted butter. For a pizza topping, I am going to saute the vegetables for a while. For putting butter in a pan, I'll add little bit salt and black pepper. I have some boiled corn, so I am adding in this vegetables. Now you can see the dough size is almost double. Now I'm going to cut this dough into 4 pieces. Like I'll make one small roti and one is big size roti. So I'm cutting this dough on one small pieces and one big pieces. I'll prepare a thin size roti. This roti putting into the tawa for some time. Start the micro oven. Select its delight. Set CA4. Then start for preheat. Now put some butter in tawa. Grease it. After grease tawa, we're going to spread the pizza dough. Now we're going to spread the cheese across the pizza. Spreading the cheese spread, we will put the small roti. Now we will going to add the pizza sauce and we're going to spread. Now after spreading the cheese, I'm going to add mozzarella cheese. After adding cheese, I'm going to put some vegetable which I already sauteed for a while. Vegetables, I'm going to give some chili flakes on it and little bit oregano. Now I'm going to put the pizza in micro oven in high rack. Now changing from high rack to low rack. Into low rack until the beep sound comes. Now cheese burst pizza is ready.